Let's talk markets today. And we are starting the week with Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, equities trader with APT Securities and Funds Limited. Mr. Mohammed, the week is starting in green. It seems like they are excited that we now have substantive ministers. How does this come to you?
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here on the program. And the market has not responded significantly to that news as far as I'm concerned.
Of course.
Because of the fact.
Go ahead.
Because of the fact that the trend the market has been following is still what we are having today. So the activity in the market today is a bit slower because of the fact that the market traded around almost 4 billion. And that's a bit lower to average day value that we traded around. It used to be around 5 billion or so. So the response, I mean, the way the reaction of the investor has not actually replicated what we have seen at the side of ministers. So as far as we are concerned, the market still relates the way it used to be. Market closed on the green, yes, about 0.7%, and it closed about 65,000 points. And we have a volume of shares traded. We have about 231 million shares traded, worth about 3.99 billion naira stock value that was traded. We have about 31 gainer and 15 losers. And if you look at these activities in the market today, you will see that my banking sector consists about 50% of value trade in the market today. So the issue around minister is still something that people need to look at, and investors will look at what are those policies that are going to be churning out from now. So we're still waiting for the policymaker to start working, to start their activities immediately.
Interesting stuff. But if you're setting an agenda, we've been talking about that all day, and everyone is commending the person of Mr. Wale Edun, who's going to be coordinating minister for the economy and finance. Very quickly, what are your expectations?
Yes, my expectation is also is good, and is also I am optimistic that Mr. Wale Edun, going through his full profile, going into the track record, you know, is somebody that is not new. He's a technocrat par excellence, and we don't seem to be. I don't think. Okay, let me put it in this way. I believe with the kind of record he has, he's an expert, as I've said earlier. But the issue Nigeria is having is structural. And if all those structural issues are not addressed, we may not have two different results from those people that are too much result from what we have currently. But if these structural issues are being addressed squarely, definitely we're going to see a very good result, because of the fact that whenever there's an issue with structure, so they need to work on our system of governance first before they start churning out some of these policies. So all these things are what we are expecting the person in the man in question to come and address. I believe that the structural issue and systemic issue has to be addressed before any other thing. But outside that, I don't think we are going to have something different from what we are having today.
I must thank you so much, and do have a great and profitable week, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Well,